Hello everyone, I'm Kirti from Krishi Jagran, and today we have the privilege of hosting a very special guest with us. She has dedicated years to revolutionize eco friendly pest management and championing sustainable farming practices. I am honored to introduce Dr. Rakshita Moli, the founder of Niti Bioprotectants. Dr. Rakshita, welcome to Krishi Jagran.
Namaste. Thank you for having me. It's an honor to be here with Krishi Jagran. It's a privilege to share my journey with all of you, especially with the farmers and aspiring agripreneurs who are shaping the future of agriculture. Thank you.
To start off with my first question, could you please share the story behind the idea of establishing Niti Bioprotectants and what led you to embark on this transformative journey in sustainable farming?
Okay, during my PhD, I never imagined that I would one day become an entrepreneur. So my world revolved around research, scientific papers, and laboratory experiments. But everything changed when I started visiting the fields. So as a part of my study, I used to visit farmers' field a lot. Basically, my research was based on developing integrated pest management strategies for mango. So I was working on leaf hoppers, fruit flies, stem borers, mealybugs, all the major pests of mango. Now, when I started visiting the field, I just saw farmers struggling helplessly with the borer infestation, especially because that was considered as a minor pest, and over the period of time that has become a major pest. So, watching their trees slowly withering off, and despite using all the available pesticides, so their desperation moved me. So they needed a solution that was not just effective but also safe for their crops, their health, and the environment. So we had developed a product for the management of the semborus in mango initially. But again, that was only confined to the research journals and reports. Farmers were unaware about our products, and many such products were still there on the papers. So that's when I realized that my research couldn't just stay within the walls of academia. So it had to reach the farmers who needed it the most. But taking that leap from research to entrepreneurship was not that easy. The person who truly gave me the wings to fly was Dr. Abraham Verghese, my PhD guide and mentor. He always told me that science should serve people, not just journals. So his unwavering belief in me gave me the courage to step out and start Niti Bioprotectants. So he's the man behind my startup, and without his guidance, this journey wouldn't have been possible.
Wow, Rakshita, that's a very inspiring journey of yours, and it's very inspiring to hear that you're dedicated to help farmers and through your venture and your products. So, moving ahead, we would love to know more about your innovative product that is Thavi Tree Swab Aid. Could you please explain its benefits and how it works? And is it effective on all kinds of crops?
Okay, sure. So the annual crop loss caused by the wood borers, wood fungi, wood cracks in fruit crops, as well as stem bleeding in case of your plantation crops, accounts to nearly 50,000 crores. Now, the current management practices includes swabbing of insecticides or fungicides, which are not long lasting and less effective. Now, this will also leads to the secondary infection, and then it further leads to the death of the tree. So, to just quote an example, the loss of every mango tree accounts to a minimum 2 lakhs. Now, farmers had no effective treatment other than repeatedly spraying these pesticides, which provided only a temporary relief. That's when we decided to develop a targeted, long lasting, and eco friendly alternative, the Tavi Tree Swab. Now, this Tavi Tree Swab is a proprietary product for the wood injury management in the fruit crops and as well as in the plantation crops. Now, this novel product is cost effective, eco friendly, and it is a very simple technology. So, it's in a semi liquid form. You just have to dilute it at 1 is to 1 ratio in a slurry form, and you just have to swab it at the site of the injury to prevent the further damage. And now coming to the novelty of our product, so it serves as an excellent adjuvant for the pesticides, entomopathogenic fungi, and nematodes. And it also promotes the tissue regeneration. It is climate resilient, where it has a shelf life of more than 3 months after application, and it also prevents the further damage. So, unlike your chemical sprays that washes away easily, this swab provides over 3 months of protection, reducing the need for the frequent pesticide application. Now, although we initially designed it for mango and palm trees, it has shown a promising results on the other fruit crops as well. So we are currently expanding trials to ensure it benefits in a wider range of crops, giving more farmers access to the sustainable and effective pest management solution.
Okay. Rakshita, the Tavi tree swab is indeed a very amazing and efficient product that farmers can use on their farms. So, moving forward with our third question, can the use of Thavi tree swab aid free farmers from traditional pesticides? And do you believe farmers are ready to fully adopt eco-friendly pest management techniques over the conventional ones?
Uh, yes, 200%. See, this Savitri swab is not meant to completely replace pesticides to reduce, uh, but it is actually to reduce their excessive use. So it works as an adjuvant, meaning it enhances the effectiveness of the insecticides while minimizing their quantity. So farmers no longer need to repeatedly spray chemicals. Instead, this targeted treatment provides long-lasting protection and reducing the pesticide dependency and promoting the healthier crops. Now, as far as whether farmers are ready to accept it, change takes time. So, but the shift has already begun. Many farmers are realizing the hidden costs of chemical pesticides, soil degradation, pest resistance, and health issues. So, they are actively looking for the sustainable alternatives that don't compromise on results. So, when they see how Tavi swab not only controls pests but also improves the tree health, they naturally start adapting this eco-friendly practices. So our role is to provide them with solutions that are practical, cost effective, and easy to integrate into the farming routines.
Okay, ma'am. It's quite an amazing product actually, and I wish more and more farmers should engage in eco-friendly pest management techniques like you are offering to them. Lastly, what advice would you like to give to our farmers and young agripreneurs to inspire and motivate them who are moving forward the sustainable farming techniques?
Um, to farmers, I want to say that you're not just growing crops, you're nurturing life. Your dedication feeds millions, and the future of agriculture depends on the choices you make today. So, embracing eco friendly solutions is not just about the protecting the environment, it's about securing the health of the soil, the crops, and as well as the future generations to come. Now, sustainable farming is not a trend, it's the need of the hour. And to the young agripreneurs, don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. So, when I began, I was just a researcher with no business background. So, I had no idea how to run a company, but I had a strong purpose. So, if you have an idea that can make a difference, take the first step, learn, adapt, and keep going. So challenges will come, but if your work solves a real problem, so success will definitely follow. And another important thing, surround yourself with the right mentors and never stop believing in yourself.
Dr. Rakshita, your work is truly remarkable and deeply inspiring. We are so grateful that we had the opportunity to hear about your insights today. Thank you so much for sharing your insights and being with us today.
Thank
And
you.
we really wish you a continued success in your venture.